Hi, first grade friends, and welcome back to Math with Miss Applewhite. It is so good to see you again today, and we are continuing to learn about money, money, money. And you have done such a great job this week learning about your coins. So let's take a quick review. What coin is this? Yes, penny. Everybody, let's say it. Penny. Good job. And what is the value of this penny? Great, 1 cent. I love it. Now, what coin is this? Yes, very good. Nickel. Everybody say nickel. Great job. And this coin is worth how much? Yes, good job. 5 cents. How many pennies would it take to equal a nickel? Phew. Yes, very good. Since a penny is worth 1 cent, it would take 5 pennies to equal the nickel. Excellent job. You are thinking so good. What coin is this? Yes, very good. It's a dime. Everybody say dime. Dime. Good job. What is the value of this coin? You. Yes, very good. It's 10 cents. Nice job. All right, here's my tricky question. How many pennies would it take to equal a dime? You. Yes, it would take 10 pennies to equal a dime. Why? Yes, because pennies are worth 1. So it would take 10 of these, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to equal this dime. Great job. You are money masters. Today we are going to look at our last coin. Does anybody know what this one is called? Yes, I hear it. Very good. Everybody say it at me. Whoa, yes, it is a quarter. Everybody say quarter. Good. So this is a quarter. And if you look up here, it says color it silver. So the color of the quarter is silver, just like our penny and nickel. And on the front of this, it says George Washington. He was the first president of our country. So this is George Washington. He was the first president of our country. And if you remember, we also learned about him when we did our Ordinary People Change the World, when he helped us earn our freedom from Great Britain, and then he became the first president. So that's cool again that we now have another important person on our money. Then this is the back right here. And it has an eagle on it. Does anybody know why there's an eagle? You. Yes, very good. The eagle is our national bird. Very good. So it's very special. So the front here has George Washington on it, and the back has an eagle on it. Great job. So those are important things that can help me identify or recognize what coin it is. You have done some great learning. Does anybody know what the value of the quarter is? Yes, it is worth 25 cents. Great job. Or I could write it 25 with the special symbol, with the C, with the line through it. 25 cents. Very good. So here's my tricky question. How many pennies would it take to make a quarter? Pew. Yes, good job. She said it was 25. Why do you think she said it was 25? How about you? Yes, because a penny is worth 1. So it would take 25 at 1 cent to equal 25 cents. Mwah! Kiss your brain, you smarties. So now we're going to log into Seesaw. And this is the end of money for us. This first sheet is what you will do first. This is page 4 in your Seesaw activity. And it says color each coin. So my pennies, I'm going to color red. So pennies, I see a penny here, so I'm going to color it red. Another penny, color it red. Then I'm going to count the number of pennies that I find and write it on this line. Then it says dimes orange. Well, Miss Applewhite doesn't have an orange, so you can just color orange and then you would write the answer here. Blue. The nickels are blue. So I'm coming up. Here's a nickel. Here's a nickel. Color all my nickels blue and write the answer here. The number of nickels that we find. The last one is yellow. Quarters are yellow. So I'll go through and I'll color my quarters yellow. And then I'll write the number of quarters I find on the line. But then there is one more sheet that you're going to complete for us today. It is page 5 of your Seesaw activity. Remember, we have saved all of these pages as a draft, and now we're finally going to be ready to submit once we finish this sheet here. At the top, it says Sweet Shop Math Test. So up here at the top, it wants you to fill in the blank with the correct word. So looking here, this is a, what coin is that? Good job, dime. So I could go here and I'd write dime. Okay, then look at number 2. This is a, what is it? Penny, very good. Then number 3, what coin is that? Nickel, excellent job. Number 4, quarter, very good. So you could use your finger to write that, or you could create your text box if that's easier. Then at the bottom it says fill in the blank with numbers. Just numbers, that's all we want. So number 1, a penny is worth blank cent. What is a penny worth? Yes, 1 cent. Now this is where it's going to ask me to kind of use my thinking and those tricky questions that we've already figured out. Look at the next one. It takes blank pennies to make 1 quarter. Remember, how much is this worth? Oh yeah, a quarter's 25 cents. So how many pennies would it take to make 1 quarter? Yes, very good. 25. And I'm going to leave 3 and 4 for you super smarties because I know you'll be able to figure it out. So once you have finished this page 4 on Seesaw right here, choop, choop, and page 5 right here, you will have finally finished all the pages of your Seesaw activity. So please make sure you click the green check today. We have clicked Save as Draft, but today we will click that green check so your teacher can see your amazing money work. Great job today. See you next time.